Alright guys, if you thought that this wasn't a great beach trip so far, how about now? We got a pirate ship over there. Look at that, guys. I don't think we've seen that one before. I don't think we can get in there. I don't think we can get in there. But I'm gonna do my best.
Okay, stand right there.
Andy, check it out. Water Street Grill right behind me, as well as the river walk right there. Look at that. Tons of people back there. You can smell this, like, I don't know what it is, some kind of meat. Oh man, it smells incredible. It's open. I think I went on this dock one time before. There's a Coleman Bridge. So we got the American Eagle over here on the other dock, and then we got this boat over here. Check that out, guys. What a day this has been. I don't know what that flag is up there on the... I'm not sure what that flag is. I think one of them maybe Spain up there. And American flag. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Incredible. Down here. I'm sure they'll be okay. Look at all that, guys. Yeah, this is a new one. We got the Lions over here today because of the look at that cool little emblem right there. Crow's Nest. What do you think of this one, Shulk? Okay, how?
Line over here.
Go ahead.
No,
Can
you just step back?
Yeah.
No, it's sending offshore bow.
Yeah. It's okay. Wow, big rope there. And then we got the flag up there. I'm not sure what this one is up there, but it's like a big 3 crow's nests right there. All right, guys. We're gonna see. This says December 5th, 1787 is what it says on that flag. December. All right, historians. What is that? December 5th, 1787. Those people were ticked off. Can't you take a joke? All right, guys. What a day here. We got the bird's nest right there, American Eagle, the Alliance, and then the big pirate ship right there. So this one's gonna take a while to upload, but if you look here, we got the Riverwalk restaurant. I think Seatown is the only one who can... Wow, you actually go up to the entrance there. We got like these flowers here, and then we got the Water Street Grill. Andy, look at how many people are out here at about 1 o'clock. That is incredible. Absolutely unreal. It's gonna take a little while to get this one uploaded, but nice camera. Yeah, they got ticked off on one over there. So go at your own risk if you want to get a close up.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys, one last shot right there. And that's what they get for opening up that gate right there. All right, boys. Hey, guys. Even this end is full of people. What an incredible day at the beach area this has been. I'll leave you with that idea. American Eagle. And then look up here. People everywhere today, boys. Final shot. Just to show you how crowded this is today. On a Wednesday of all days. On a Wednesday. Look at that, guys. Umbrellas out. Kids in the water. More people filing in. It is. This probably is going to go down as the greatest beach area trip of 2025. All right, and then one final pan just to show you. Crowded day this afternoon here at the beach area. Hope you enjoyed that.